One day, a man was getting ready to travel. He had a small bag with him. Inside were things that were very important to him, things he needed, and things he cared about. When he got on the airplane, he realized something: his bag wouldn't fit. Before he even had time to think, an attendant gently took his bag, wrapped a tag around the handle, and handed him a small ticket. Then, his bag was gone. The man felt a little worried. He held on to that small ticket, and all during the flight he thought, "I hope someone is taking care of my bag. I hope it isn't lost. I hope nothing is broken. I hope it will be there when I arrive." Have you ever worried about something like that? When the plane landed, he walked to the place where the bags come out. He stood by the carousel and watched the bags go around and around. One bag passed by, then another. He kept watching, waiting, hoping. Then suddenly, he saw it, his bag. It came around the corner, safe and just where it was supposed to be. He picked it up and felt relieved. Nothing was lost, nothing was forgotten. It was back where it belonged. But the story didn't stop there. The man learned something surprising. The airport he had just been in was known for something amazing. For many, many years, after handling millions of bags, they had not lost a single one, not even one. Why? Because the people who work there believe something important. They believe every bag is precious. So they are careful. They pay attention. They look for ways to do things better. They check every bag, they track every bag, they take care of every bag. Sometimes they even carry fragile items carefully by hand. They do small things, like turning the handles just right so people can find their bags easily. They work together to make sure nothing is forgotten. And when someone gives them a bag, it feels like they are saying, "We have your precious belongings. We will take care of them. We will return them to you." Now think about something even more important than a bag. People. Each person is precious. Each person matters. Heavenly Father sends each of his children to earth, and he never forgets them. Even if someone feels lost, even if they feel far away, they are never forgotten. And just like those careful workers, we can help take care of each other. We can notice, we can be kind, we can help others feel safe and loved. People are more precious than anything we could ever carry in a suitcase. And when we care for others like that, we are helping with something very important. We are helping take care of God's children. So if you ever feel lost, remember this: you are precious. You are known, and you are never forgotten.